Papunga.
Thank you for being our spiritual parent who loves us and journey with us. We speak blessings over you today. Namamas ko po!
Ano kaya lalabas? Thank you, Doc Glenn and Doc Terry.
Thank you, Doc Glenn, for everything. Merry Christmas and God bless you. Hello, Mom. Thank you for your life. We love you and we're praying for you. Merry Christmas!
Hi, Doc Glenn and Doc Jen. Thank you for being our spiritual parents. Salamat at namin ang pagpunara nyo. Merry Christmas! We love you!
Hi, Doc Glenn and Doc Cherry. Thank you for being a godly example. You are both a blessing to us. Merry Christmas!
Hi, Doc Glenn. Thank you for being my disciple for the past 6 years, and thank you for always being a constant reminder of God's love and mercy and goodness to me and to Sam. And I pray that God will continue to bless you and use you so that more and more people will get to know more about God and be blessed.
Maraming salamat po, Doc Glenn and Dr. Cherry, sa walang sawang pagmamahal nyo sa amin. God bless you po. Love you all.
Thank you po, Doc Glenn and Doc Cherry, for giving to the Lord. Merry Christmas! Thank you for being our spiritual parent who loves us and journey with us. We speak blessings over you today. Namamas ko po!
Hi, Doc Glenn. Hi, Doc Jen. Thank you for your patience and support, for being intentional, and for your guidance and love. You are a blessing to us. We love you.
Hello, Doc Glenn and Doc Che. We praise God for your lives. Merry Christmas!
Hello po, Doc Glenn, Dr. Cherry. Hindi na po kami magkapatagpit pa. Hindi rin naman namin susumbong sa isa. Kasi wala naman kami conflict. We just want to appreciate yung mga effort nyo sa amin. Kung gaano kayo magpatyaga sa amin, wala pa po yung premarital counseling, yung hospital, na-confine, nagkasakit, nag-birthday, nag-dedicate ng bata, nag-dedicate ng bahay, at marami pa. Hindi nakata kayo eh. And even during those times ng pandemic, nagkaroon ng lockdown, kayo na yung pinadala sa amin ni Lord na upang mag-guide sa amin ni Dada. And kahit hanggang ngayon, and especially during those times na nagkakaroon kami ng conflict minsan ni Dada, of course, we made your decision. Actually, we are so blessed talaga na maging part ng Ligo, especially during those times na nakakasama namin kami sa mga ministry, masasama nyo kami, mga coffee treat, wedding events, giving outing, marami kami ba. So, pinupas nyo sa amin yung tahanan nyo, and even yung refrigerator, nayaan yung bukas sa amin. At syempre, yung masarap na kape ni Doc Glenn pagka nandun kami sa bahay. Yun, maraming salamat.
And as God continues to extend your borders, patuloy niya kayo na samahan, gabayan, at pag-ingatan. Yan ang panalangin namin para sa inyo. Again, maraming salamat, Doc Glenn and Dr. Cherry.
Hello, Doc Glenn, Dr. Cherry.
Good evening, and we just want to say na mahal namin kayong dalawa. We thank God for your life and your commitment. Since 2013, sa Christian journey natin together, and we just want to appreciate you tonight. We love you.
Ay maraming salamat sa lahat. Alam niyo na yon.
Salamat sa pagmamahal, simula noon hanggang ngayon.
We love you!
We love you!
First Samuel 7:16.
For the man looketh on the outward appearance, but the Lord looketh inside your heart. Hi, Doc Glenn. Hi, Tita Cherry. We want to say that we are so encouraged for giving your time and love for us, Barnet family! We love you! We love you!
Doc and Doktora, maraming salamat sa buhay at dedikasyon niyo para sa amin. Salamat sa pagmamahal, gabay, at pagiging sa kapilahan ng lahat ng ups and downs. Thank you and we love you.
Thank you, Glenn and Cherry, for being our D-Group leader. Alam ko, mahirap maging isang D-Group leader, lalo na pagka ang mga miyembro mo ay sintitigas ng ulo namin. So, salamat sa inyong pagtsatsaga at sa pagiging role model.
Thank you. We know that it's difficult to lead and to sacrifice so much of yourself to lead others. And we appreciate how you have always been there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright! We thank God for the love of Christ that overflows to the life of Dr. Cherry and Doc Glenn. Love you! Alright, everyone, so to preserve this wonderful memory of us, can I invite everyone to stand and let's take a picture?